Well, let us see what is the next object that Blender developers have provided us. So what I will do, I will go to add, go to mesh, and you get this extra object. For those who don't know or those who are seeing this for the first time, you can go to edit, you can go to preferences, and in the preferences, in the add-ons tab, search for extra objects and tick it off, and then you will get this add, mesh, and these extra objects. So today's extra object we will be seeing is Torus. So before taking that object, let me delete this default cube, go to add, go to mesh, and go to Torus object, twisted Torus. What it is just a Torus but a twisted Torus. If I go to add, go to mesh, and go to Torus, G to grab it and Z to move it in the Z axis. This is how the simple Torus is. This is how the twisted Torus is. It's nothing different than Torus, just it is a little bit twisted. Let me go to add, mesh, and Torus and twisted Torus. Let us see what the extra options they are given in the sub menu. We have the option to create our own settings, presets. You can increase the radius, major radius. It increases the spread of the Torus. You can increase the minor radius, which can increase or decrease the cross section of the radius of Torus. Major segments, how many segments do you want it along the Torus, and minor segments is how many segments do you want across the Torus in the cross section wise. Twist, how many twists you want. This is single twist. If I put it to 0 twist, this is our default Torus. Let me reduce the minor segments a little bit. This is our regular Torus. If I increase the twist one time, it is going to twist the ends and join it at the end here. If I increase it once more, it is 2 twists, third time, fourth time, fifth time. You can increase it as much as you want, but at one point it gets a little bit abstract design. Along with that, we have got this tick. What this does is, this values can be changed, but it won't be affected unless and until I tick this off. Use internal or external controls. What this means is, this is external radius, this is interior radius. So if I tick this, and now I can change the radius. What this does is, actually, let me keep it this way. This outer edge is the exterior radius. I can increase it that way, and this inner radius is the interior radius. You can reduce or increase it that way. That's how you can get this Torus. Then the next option is how you want to align the Torus objects. Do you want to align it according to the world, according to the view from where you are viewing it from? And if you want, you can align it according to the 3D cursor, how the 3D cursor is. For those who are new, this red and white dotted circle is called a 3D cursor. Then we can change its location in x-axis, in y-axis, in z-axis. Then you can also change its rotation in x, y, z axis as well. So that's it for this, guys. Hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button if you want to get notified about whenever I put the next video. If you like this effort, you can support me wholeheartedly by going on the Patreon page. Links will be given in the description. And if you want to personally support me, you can use Google Pay, Phone Pay, or Paytm. Phone numbers will be given in the description as well, or leave just a comment to make me feel good about whatever this effort is going in. So until then, try to see it, learn it, understand it. I will see you in the next video.